Okay, so you're looking to get into business and you're a people pleaser and you're worried maybe I'll ruffle a few feathers if I'm a little bit too much myself. Maybe if I put my brand out there, my personal self out there, then people will judge me and they won't like me and they'll think all these different things about me that I'm not really prepared for. You're afraid to jump on video. Maybe they'll make fun of you. Maybe they'll laugh at the way you look. Maybe they'll laugh at the way you talk. Maybe you have a funny accent. Well, I'm here to tell you something, that if you're afraid of ruffling a few feathers and making people upset, you're never going to survive in business. You're never going to make it, because there's not really one surefire way to success, but there's definitely a surefire way to failure, and that's to try to please everybody. When you try to please everybody, all you're really going to do is please nobody, because nobody likes somebody who's just a robot and not really themselves and trying to say all the right things all the time. You want to make sure that you choose an audience that's going to like you for you, respect you for you, like your message, like the way you deliver things, and that's all that matters. Forget what everybody else thinks. Forget trying to impress everybody and trying to make everybody be your friend and all this other stuff. You have to understand, you can care about other people without caring about their opinions about you. Does that make sense? Think about it. You can care about other people without caring about their opinions about you. Okay? So you might have to keep these people at a distance if they're being negative. They can just be them. They can have their opinion. You have to be 100% sure of yourself. Okay? My family, friends, people don't understand my affiliate marketing business, but, it doesn't matter. Many of you right now probably have family and friends who don't understand your entrepreneurial desires, your wishes to be on top and grow your business and do all these wonderful things, and you're probably worried about all their opinions about you and the things they say behind your back, and maybe they laugh at you when you're starting to get going and you haven't made any income yet. Let me tell you something. When I first started in affiliate marketing, the first 8 months, I wasn't making any money at all right? And I had the same people like, what is he doing? Why is he doing all this, making all these videos and doing all this extra work on the side? He's not making any money. What's wrong with him? This is stupid. Your dreams are stupid. Your goals are stupid. You're going to get nowhere. This is a waste of time. You're going to hear all that. And it does not matter, okay? It does not matter. At the end of the day, you know what you're doing. You know what your goals are. You know that you have to start somewhere, do what you can do, and use what you have. So forget about what everybody else is thinking about you, okay? You're never going to get anywhere in life if you're thinking about, oh, I don't want to upset these people, or I don't like what they're saying about me. Forget about all that. You have to have tunnel vision, okay? If you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing the right way, there's a link in the description below where I got some free training. So now after 8 months of struggling and I was putting in a lot of work, now my family and friends are impressed and wondering how I'm making these thousands of dollars a week. Well, it was because I was willing to put in the work, put in the grind, and learn everything I could and do what I needed to do, what was necessary to do. Most entrepreneurs will tell you they started off working for free. They needed to build up their assets. They needed to do what they needed to do and put everything in place. Okay? It is a grind. It is a lot of work. But over time, it starts to add up, and the next thing you know, you're financially free. Okay, but it does not happen if you're worried about what other people think about you. Okay, forget about them. If you're gonna succeed in business and in life, you have to understand that everyone on planet Earth is walking around with a filter. Okay, there is no right opinion. They're just opinions. That's the point of them having opinions. They're opinions. Okay, people have a filter. They can see you and they can think a million different things. Okay, they might like you, they might not like you, they might agree, they might not agree. But what you have to understand is that none of that stuff is true. None of it is right. Okay, it doesn't mean it's right or wrong. It just means that person has a different filter than the next person. Okay, all the people's opinions are based off their past history, their family upbringing, everything that they've seen and heard in life. Everyone's got different personalities. Okay, that does not make what their opinion is saying, that what they're saying is true. Okay, it's just their opinion. So you have no control over that. Okay, so you trying to change people's opinions is just crazy. It's just stupid. It's a waste of time. You trying to please everybody is a waste of time. Okay, just don't waste your time. Just have tunnel vision. You have your goals, you have your dreams, you have your heart set on something. Do what you need to do. I talk to you guys on a daily basis, and I do my affiliate marketing training, and I try to teach you guys and show you guys the right way. But some of you are hesitant to get on video. You don't like the way you talk, and you think people will make fun of you. You don't like the way you look, and you think people will make fun of you. But that's why I made this video, because I'm trying to tell you guys, you have to have tunnel vision. If you keep doing what you've already done, you're going to keep having what you already have. okay? You have to be willing to put yourself out there and say, screw those people, and find the people that are going to appreciate and respect the things that you do. Forget about all those other people. There's no successful business person in the history of mankind who pleased everybody. It does not exist, okay? You have to be willing to be polarizing and willing to stand for what you believe in and willing to put yourself out there and have some bravery and courage, okay? It does not matter at the end of the day. People's opinions have nothing to do with you. They have nothing to do with what you're doing with your life, okay? Ignore all that, forget about it, and go 1,000 miles per hour in this direction. And I'm going to tell you like this, in the end, you're going to be the one laughing, you're going to be the one smiling, because you put in the work that you needed to put in, and they're still over there having their opinions, and their opinion is a complete waste of time. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.